Hello beautiful families, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you today? Welcome back again to another video. In case you are new here, you just see my face for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Blessing, so consider to subscribe and be the part of my family. You are not going to regret subscribing to this beautiful, lovely and friendable family. Okay, welcome back again to my channel. Guys, where have I been? Where are they since I know they upload? So before we go to that, I just want to appreciate those of you who write me, who DM me that Blessing, where are you? I've not been seeing your vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. Yes, we are doing fine, just that we have a little thing. Okay, so I'm going to explain that later. Okay, so and then thank you so much for your love, for contacting me. For in case I did not reply you, please, I'm so sorry. It's because I have a lot on my head that moment. Okay, but now I'm okay. I give God the praise, I give God all the glory. Hey, I give God honor. Hey, I give God all the glory. I give you honor. So the guys who miss me, I know that you guys miss me. You guys miss this my beautiful face. Well, I don't miss my beautiful, I miss my wala. So guys, the reason why the uploads is there is because my last video, or I never upload the video, I talk about say Chemile not define, Chemile they sing, part of that. And then yesterday is Tuesday, today is Wednesday, and then this video will be going up this evening. Okay, so before that Tuesday, so yesterday make us 1 week at the hospital. So Chemile have catarrh call, so we take him to just our normal doctor. The man writes some medicine for us, so we give him the medicine, so it's getting better until Tuesday. God, until that last week Tuesday, devil just want to spoil everything for me. But if you believe in him, you shall not perish and you will have everlasting life. So we are just in the kitchen cooking, and then something just happened to my boy. So I have to call. Over me, I don't even know a balance number. I've been living in Germany 6 years and some months. I don't know ambulance number. So I'll be pressing my phone, where is ambulance number? Then my daughter Chidima now told me to look at ambulance number. Hey, and then I don't have time to ask her that. How do you know? Because me know that they always teach them in school ambulance number, police number. I know that they always teach them the number in school. So at that moment I just need that number. Okay, give me, you know, call. She now called the number for me. Then I not call the ambulance. Before 3 to 5 minutes, ambulance is here. European, the way they arrange their things. Europe to arrange their things. So for America, everywhere. Now our country. Now you go call ambulance 3 hours, you never see them. Before 3 to 5 minutes, ambulance don't do my house. So we now rush him to hospital. So I supposed to tell you guys what really happened to him, is because when I did hospital, I make video say look at the hospital, and then he brought food for me. So I never upload that video, and then for that video I tell her say if I reach us, I'll tell her what really happened for his leg, everything. But if I tell you guys now, you guys are not going to enjoy the video anymore. Okay, so that is why I will not tell you guys. Upload the video, then I will tell you guys what really happened to him. Okay, so I just want you guys to watch the hospital video, because you will see what I passed through for this, the transfer me from this hospital to the next hospital. So I did a vlog, but when I was in Munich hospital, I did not even make a vlog. The reason why, guys, I have hospital roommate. But when I was in my city hospital, I was alone with my son in the hospital, in the room. So when they transfer me to Mushin, so Then now I now have a roommate. Then we spend 2 days, they will discharge, the other person will come. I don't even have time to make video. So I explain everything on my vlog there, so you guys are going to see everything that I passed through in that hospital. Okay, so then as I came yesterday, making it 1 week that I spent on the hospital. So yesterday make it 1 week, guys. Those people want to use bread to finish my life. You see, why they chop meat, they chop chicken, they chop turkey. I go see another side. Anyway, on that hospital, I'm drinking my Slim Tea there. Maybe that is the reason, I don't know. So I was going to toilet, so I was drinking. I did not eat because there's no good food there. Igwe always bring food for me, so you guys are still going to see that on my vlog too. Okay, so on the vlog that I did on the hospital, that I make on the hospital, so you guys are going to see the everything there. Okay, so everything just happened, guys, so fast, and then I did not even plan it. So on my next video, or after I upload my hospital video, so I'm going to tell you guys what really happened, why I rushed him to hospital. So you guys are going to know everything, so that maybe you guys are still going to be careful. But for me, that is not like the mother did not take care of him well, or no, this is accident. So if I explain for you guys will see know that it's accident. So nobody is there. He just went there to go and enjoy himself. But we thank God everything is okay now. And if you just came back yesterday, and I decided to explain for you guys, because I seen some inside my comments on YouTube, many people are saying, "Blessing, where have you guys been? You guys are not be uploaded. I know that you guys miss me. You miss your baby. You miss your mama. You miss your sexy mother." So I just, okay, let me just do this sit down talk video, so you guys will know what really happened, why I'm not uploading since. Okay, so but now I'm going to be giving you guys bump to bump, prank to prank. Don't worry, I just changed my camera battery just off. So as I said, and then we are going to be giving you guys bump to bump, and any video idea you have for us, feel free to drop it in the comments, okay, or DM me on my IG or Facebook, or if you have my WhatsApp, just DM me, give me any things. Those of you who write me that you need the waist trainer, you need the Slim Tea. As I'm saying now, I did not wear waist trainer. And then look at my tummy is going that, as you can see. So the Slim Tea and the waist trainer is working, as you guys can see, it's really working. So, and I have a lot of people who contact me that they need this waist trainer. Sorry guys, I did not reply you, is because I did not even have internet. Okay, so that is why I did not reply you. I seen all your message that yesterday when I come back from the hospital, but I'm so tired to reply you. So I'm back now. DM me, let's start from there. DM me if you need the waist trainer, the Slim Tea, the hot tummy cream, just DM me. So before I end this video now, I'm going to show you guys the things is here. And then before I came back, the woman said will send me some, I told you guys on my last vlog that she sent me some Slim Tea, some hot tummy cream. Okay, so that is it. If you are still interested of the waist trainer, the hot tummy cream, the Slim Tea, feel free to DM me. It's not my fault. The reason why I did not reply you guys is because I'm not around. Okay, so before we go, look at the Slim Tea. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look at the Slim Tea morning and night. Okay, this is the Slim Tea morning and night. And then we also have hot tummy cream. Look at the hot tummy cream here. So we still have different type. Me, I'm using this one. The reason why I love this one is because it's this one that she sent for me for the first time, because I told her that if you want me to help you, she always watch my video. Maybe she will be watching me now. So I tell her that if you want me to help you to sell it, you have to send for me first, then I will use it. So the one that she sent for me, I have already used it. Slim, this one is slim cream, it's not hot cream. This one is slim cream. Okay, so if you need hot cream, look at hot cream here. If you need hot cream, look at hot cream here. And then we still have two. This one too is hot cream. Okay, this one too is hot cream. And then we have the waist trainer, different size. We have the waist trainer, different size. Okay, so we have from medium, large, extra large, small, any size you want. You are just contact me. We have we have all the old size. Okay, so that is it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and then please keep on supporting Blessing Family, and then share this video to your family and friends. Tell them that Blessing Family is back, and we are going to be giving you guys every day upload. Okay, so I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.